So to start off with, using a white face paint, I just mapped out the skull features. I then went into this pink face paint and I just stippled that all over my face, and then went into a lighter pink to add a bit of highlight. Painted white and black stripes down the skull eyes, nose and cheekbones. I pressed on a white eyeshadow on top of that to make it stand out more, and then I also went into a black eyeshadow and added some definition around the skull features. For my lips, I used this white lipstick, and then using a dark pink blusher I just shaded around the lips as well. I also use this to add some shading around the eyes and around the cheekbones as well. Using a black face paint, I added different sized dots dotted around the face. I did a winged liner and popped on some super long eyelashes, and then this is the finished look. This is based on a face chart from an amazing face chart artist from Instagram. I'll pop that picture on the end. Thank you for watching my tutorial. I hope you like this. I thought it was a bit Valentine's Day. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.